Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 7D Fusion, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you will first want to turn off your device by swiping down twice from the top of your screen and then selecting the power button and choosing power off. Once the device turns off, hold the power button and the volume down at the same time and let go of them once you see Bootloader, which will be the first thing we need to access. And that's going to show up now. So once you see it, you can let go. And then using volume buttons, you want to select recovery mode. So it will show up right here, like so. Once it's selected, press power button to confirm it. In a moment, you will see Android with no command, so hold power button, and while holding, you're going to press volume up, and then you can let go of power button. There we go. In here, again, we're going to be using volume buttons to navigate through the options, and with that in mind, you want to select Enter Fastboot, and then confirm it again with the power button. And here is our Fastboot mode. So again, just like before, we can navigate using volume buttons, and power button will confirm whatever is selected. So we have options such as Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Enter Recovery Mode, which is the previous page, Enter or Reboot to Bootloader, which is the first page we have seen after turning off the device, and then we just have a power off option. So I'm going to stick with the first one, Reboot System Now, confirm with the power button, and like I mentioned, this just brings me back up into Android and leaves all these modes. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.